There it is. 3150 kbh Alta. Gonna do a quick walk back here. Spare tire on the back. It's heated and enclosed underbelly. Ladder to the top. 2 slides. Backup camera prep right there. Got a spray port on this side. And a nice big outside kitchen here I'm gonna open. I'm sure you can see the pictures there. It's got TV, it's got water, fridge, nice little storage drawer, and then the flat top. I don't know if you can tell in the picture, but this pulls way out, which is nice, so you don't have all that grease spatter everywhere on your camper. And then you got a 12-volt plug, some chargers, your light switch, and a regular 110 outlet. This does have the tankless water heater, so on-demand hot water. Goodyear tires. You can see how nice and tight these are. Makes it nice and strong. Little power outside here. Spot to hook up Fido right there with the leash. And then these pass-through doors are nice and tall, so you can put a chair in there easily, and they're metal. They're not plastic. So more outlets. Your awning switch you have here or inside. And then when the battery's on, which I can do, this will go on automatically when you open up the door. Comes with the 2 Group 27 batteries, and we'll fill the propane tanks for you. It's got electric tongue jack. Look at all that. Real quick, I'm going to pan over here. There's the weight, the length. You can bring all your cords and such up through there, so you don't have to have the door open, but all your connectors are in there. And then here's the power. You know what I just found out too? You can hook this up. There's an app, so you could have your solar panel and your solar charger on an app, so you can keep an eye on your voltage and stuff through the app, and do all the functions there too. Then you have another spot for plugging in your cable satellite hookup, amp right there, and then you have your switches to run the power jacks, because you got front and rear electric stabilizers. Your low point drains, your freshwater drain right there, and then all the other dumps are in the back. Like I say, 2 slides, nice huge windows. And then there's your other 2 for the back. Nice light back here, and then your dump station's right there. And it's got 3 poles. So you got 2 gray tanks and your black tank, all right connected there. Let's go see what the inside looks like. As we head up in there, she talks about construction. Some brands don't talk about construction because they're kind of trying to hide stuff, but these guys do. Asdel in the walls, so there's no wood in here. It's aluminum with high density foam for your insulation. Oh, look at that. See how the light just popped on its own? It's pretty slick. Nice big storage spot. Recliners. Put your drinks right there, and then you could probably still lose your remote, but there it is. Nice big drawers that pull out right there, and with the dinette. Well, I'm going to show you something too. I just noticed. Watch when I push this in. See how it closes slow? It's a no slam drawer. Accent lights down there. You also have accent lights above the slide. Pretty cool, so at night you could have a little glow going on. Working windows in the slide. Those are big windows too. It's very nice. Lots of storage up here. Heat ducted into the walls, not in the floor, so nothing to sweep dirt into. Fireplace, sound bar, Could turn this on for you real quick and you can see the readout. It's nice and big. It's pretty slick. Goodbye. Nice TV. This TV is right across from the recliners, which is cool, but if you needed to, you can swivel it over so it faces the dinette too. More storage up there. All your switches are there. Interior lights on, accent lights, all your slide switches, and your dump checks are there. This freezer's cool. So you can put small stuff up here, and then you have your big dump down there for the freezer. Nice big fridge too. This is cool. Take your glass, set it on there, and it'll rinse it out. It sprays up into the glass when you push down on that. Goes right into the sink. Cutting board, drying rack. Here's your tankless water heater controls. Sliding door for the bathroom. You just unlock it and it slides over. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Stand-up neo-angle shower with the nice tub surround. Tall guys, you'll have no problem with this. Let's see, I'm 5'8", and I come up to right about there. So, I mean, you got a lot. This Alta and all the east to west products have an 82-inch ceiling or extra tall ceiling. Storage, sink, medicine cabinet, second door that goes out, your light switch. And then coming into the bunk room, flip the lights on, heated, ducted air, spot for a TV, extra wide bunk right there. The ladder comes with it. You even get charging ports. And then this pulls down into a bunk, and then in the pictures you can see that this flops open into a bed, but you didn't see how it works. It's really slick. I'm gonna move these cushions. I'll tell you, it's the slickest, easiest bed in the industry to use. Alright, hopefully I'm not making you dizzy, but I want you to see this live. I'm not just going to set it up. Okay, so I'm going to grab right down here and lift. And it just comes up. I'm going to stop part way so I can back up and show you. See, it just comes right out like that. Hopefully you can see, drops down. Very simple. And then you take that, fold it down so your pillows don't fall behind it, and you fold it back up. I'm doing this with one hand too, it's super easy. Drops right down into there, and you can see how this folds down so the pillows don't drop. Super cool. Color match vinyl underneath here, so no carpet anymore. Going into the bedroom, very usable under this king size bed. You got the 2 storage drawers right there. This is 50 amp service because it does have 2 air conditioners. Plywood, not particle board, extra blocks for strength, and then your gas struts. And then on this side, you got your pull-out drawers, hanging storage over the top. And then if you can see back there, you got a spot for CPAP glasses, all that. Your charging stuff is there. Spot for a TV in the bedroom. Hookups are right there. Light switch. This thing is loaded. I didn't even get into construction, but again, very well constructed. Asdel on the walls. Look at that. It even has a little pop-up extra counter spot right there. And that's a 40-inch TV, so you know. And then the second air conditioner, of course. Goodyear Tires. Thanks for watching the video. I'm just going to move around a little bit more. You shut it off if you want. I'm just kind of giving you an overview of the look of it. Nice big open floor plan. That folds down. I guess I can pull it down. It's got the nice soft underneath the plastic. It's that soft teddy bear they call it. There's the second air conditioner. All right, thanks for watching.